It's time, bro. It's time. It's time.
It's time. Yeah. Girl, all of this is gonna happen while I'm in the bathroom.
Oh,
I'm
at
gonna
the
pee.
kwarto. It's time.
He had his chance.
OMG.
Oh my god, official daw, bro.
Bro, at the bird at the moon is gonna be at the barbecue next week.
Barbecue?
Yes, she's gonna cook the bird.
Ano nangyari?
I'm Jander.
Anong nasa shop?
Girl, my night egg. My night egg. Siya, pag nakuha ko dito raccoon sa night egg na to, bibigay ko sa'yo.
Ah, thank you.
Or I can give you the old one. Oh my god, shooting star.
R.I.P. Bird. Oh, W. Jander. Binigyan niya tayong shooting star.
Oh my god.
Join ka na. Kung hindi, mamimiss out mo yung black hole.
Ito na.
Okay. So, guys, that's all for today's video. I'm just joking.
Oh my god, vlog ka? You're vlogging?
Yeah.
Ang daming naglalaro. Ha?
Why?
Si Clifford. Help!
Naglalaro si ano?
Oh my God.
Why? Sinong naglalaro ngayon? Isa kaibigan ko, isa kaibigan ni ate, isa si Kuya JM.
Bro.
Si Kian lang ata yung naglalaro. Roblox need to let me get on mic so I don't have to type. True!
Sorry, bro.
Or we're just... Why did I type bye, bro?
Can I join you, Sia?
Yeah. Why? Okay. Oh no.
Oh no, bro's gonna get... Oh my god.
No, oh my god.
Girl, don't be disgusted. All of this is happening while I'm pooping.
Oh, that's okay for me because we literally showered together.
I'm pooping.
That was random.
Ready pa nagtitim.
I'ma just stop
Nag-black
record.
hole na sa kanya.
Ha? Nag-black hole na sa kay ano? Sa kaibigan mo?
Oh.
Ow.
Ow, bro.
Yung may black...
Ow. Sa amin pa lang ano.
Bro, this dude.
But you gotta join.
I'm joining.
Did you join? Or you're not here yet, I think. You gotta think Jandel. Cause he will freaking cook the bird. Right, Jam?
Yeah.
Poor birdie. This is his last time seeing us.
Birdie, we had fun with you.
Yeah, we have fun.
Oh no. It's
Especially,
a lesson.
especially the blessings and the fruits you gave us and the luck you gave us.
Binigyan ako ng troll.
Thank you.
Girl, I realize di ka makakuha ng moon mango.
Yeah, I know. We are, ano may nagsasalita ba dito? We are at
8.5 million players in 35 minutes left. Man, basically gonna get to 10 million. Bubos ako ba ito?
Yay.
Please, 35 minutes pa. What the hell is
No. Oh, ay balik. Oh, you
Oh,
got
I'm not normal.
how many percent are you, bro?
God, I charged this. I'm 80%. Sorry.
No.
Oh my god,
Where are you?
Brothers.
Yan na yung black hole!
Ha?
Sabi ni Jandel!
Ayan.
Ah. Wait lang. Papunta na yung black hole.
Tito Jun, pwede mo na mag-stay up si Jam for one time, please?
What?
I said if you to Tito Jun can jump stand, stay up for a little bit.
Naka-headset ako, by the way.
Oh.
Hindi ka naligo, no?
Oh, shit.
Ay, pati hindi totoo.
Ayun, pinapahanap ni Nana.
Wala pala kami nahanap sa ano na kanya. Sabi ko ilabas na sa kaling kailangan pa niya gamitin. Alam mo naman gano'n to?
Girl, where? Where's the black hole?
Saan ka yung kuha? Na bag? Yan na, saan ka yung na bag? Di ko makakala. Kasi sa bag.
Sa gray ata.
Yan na yung black hole.
3 minutes na ate. 3 minutes. Okay guys, so I don't want you guys to wait. So technically I'm just gonna sorry for the wait. You can skip it. So I'm gonna cut it. Oh, it's gonna be a black hole. It's gonna be a black hole. Oh, tumingin ka sa taas. Sa amin meron
Ayan
na.
na. Oh my
Oh my
God.
God.
I'm getting shocked.
Me too.
Siya punta! Oh! Ano kasi sabi niya siya get sucked?
Here, it's jumped. Here, akyatin nyo yung ano, cactus ko, Jam.
Paano?
Pumunta ka sa akin. Pumunta ka sa akin.
Sa beanstalk ko.
Punta ka sa akin. Pumunta ka sa ano mo. Bili talon!
Yung bamboo niya!
No! This is fun. This is fun, bro.
Ano? Help! Nasak in na ako.
Ako hindi.
Ay, akit sa bamboo niyo. Hindi na sa
Bumubulong ka na.
Wala kaming bamboo.
Ay, kanino bamboo niyo?
Nawala na.
Mama.
Wala na eh.
Wala na.
Oh.
Bumulong ka na. Ay, bumulong ka, marinig ka yan.
Wait, bye, black hole, more to come. Uy, parang may nakita ko. Excuse me.
Ay,
Paano
hulog.
nakakit kaibigan mo?
Or ito siya sa beanstalk ko.
We should join ate. I think
Let's go join her.
kasi there's a big private campaign. Hindi.
Ibang server pala tong Gmail ko kasi puro yung sa
Wait, let us.
Oh my God!
Disco!
Sabi ko kanina disco, please.
I'm joining now.
I hate this. Sabihin mo, W Jandel pangalan niya yun. Oh yeah. We're so lucky. This is the best night ever. Oh yeah. Mag-ready kayong pera kasi kanina may mga new seeds daw. B. Update. Your position in one line, Jam.
Okay?
Can someone leave ate? Ano sabihin mo? Ano? Cross. I hate this game. Ah! Yay! Holy bros. Someone lived. Thank you, Lord. So, tagal.
Hindi ko pa kalitin yung
Is it this? Ate, Jam, it's your laging. You
I'm
better,
not.
I'm not
You-
lagi. Hindi ako gumagalaw.
oh. Yes, please. Yes! Oh, we're not dancing. Oh, by the way, Jam, thanks for the moon mango earlier.
Welcome.
Why are you so calm now?
My dad is sleeping. Oh my god.
Oh my God! Si Jandel!
Oh my god.
Oh, good thing I'm still recording. That's what happened
Send that.
earlier.
Send it to me.
You wanna stay in my garden, girl?
Sabi ng kaibigan ko, I hope I get struck by lightning. Tapos biglang nagkaroon ng...
Bro!
Zia, send this to me.
Video?
Na-shock yung melons ko!
Yes! Oh, you can speak.
Hindi ko ako.
Let's go up here.
Anak ko sa gulang dito, kapag na lang.
Oh, Jandel, we're lagging. Yeah. Wrong way tayo dyan. You just... I have a shocked eggplant. Girl, we gotta Jandel, why did you do the thunder? I'm lagging now.
Ano meron dun?
Ate, do you have your raccoon equipped?
No.
Okay, good.
Hindi wala pa naman mga tindahan kung mga tindahan. Mga tindahan?
What should I say? I wanna dance.
Sure. Ha? Manghingi ka ng shooting star. Ano pasukan eh. Ginagawa pa lang yun.
Wish, I wanna wish. I said I wanna wish.
May pasukan, ginagawa pa lang yun. Nung pasukan, ginagawa pa lang yun, di ba?
Ooh, what's that? I wanna wish, well. Okay. Oh my God. Bantayan mo yan. Got my charger. I got my charger in case I lobat. Okay, guys. We don't know what but update, but I hope you enjoyed this video and get an awesome night or day. Bye, guys.